I'm not sure I've got it, but I think I do. I'm going to just show you homing. I got all the limit switches wired up for the home position, and there's a procedure here. You can just tell it to go home, and it does. We think. I'm going to try it. It homed. Is that cool or what? It goes into the limit switches, then it backs out 10 millimeters, I think. Wow. He's happy. He's happy. And he's happy. Pretty cool. Okay, so I can home it. Can't do much else. I'm still working on the soft limits. I'm not sure how to set those up yet. I enabled them and everything went to hell, so I stopped. And I just got the call from Miss Margaret, and she wants me to come up there, so I guess I have to. I tried to make this work, and when I hit go, I get an error, and my Z-axis goes all the way up, so I must have my rotation on Z inaccurate, but I'll come back to that. Tomorrow's another day, but we're getting there, okay? These axes are tight. The motors are working great. I got the distance down to the nut. They seem to be doing quite well. And tomorrow's another day is all I can say, but I did get it back together. It's not bolted to the table, but I can do that. I just wanted things to move around so I could add the switches, and some of the switches are just put on with foam tape. It's not great. This one is screwed in and this one's on with foam tape, so I got to do better, and I'll find brackets is what I'm going to be working on tomorrow sometime if I can. We got to go to the doctor in the morning, and that's why I'm quitting early. We have a problem we have to go take care of. All right, later, gang. We can home it. We can home the mini mill. All right, bye.